Started from the bottom, now we're here.
As A-List Marketing, Zofam ENT, and Boss Dynasty brings it back to you. A night of laughter comedy show. Every Monday night at the G5 Lounge, 337 Northwest 170th Street in North Miami Beach, with host Showtime the Zo Poppy.
Aha, babies! What's happening? What's happening? I don't care what you're doing. Each and every Monday night, baby, you have to come see Showtime the Poppy Mu. One microphone, a couple jokes, and a nice outfit, baby.
You gotta see them for yourself. Doors open at 9 p.m. Showtime starts at 11 p.m. Arrive early for this and enjoy yourself at a night of laughter comedy show. This Monday night and every Monday night at G5 Lounge. But that's not it. It's the comedy show after party.
I tried to let you
with drinker bottle specials and $5 shots every hour. With music by Jam Squad and We the Best DJ Fat Boy. Keep it 100's DJ Haitian Mike. Start your week the right way at a night of laughter comedy show. For table and VIP reservations, call 786-312-4489.